Hi guys, AR Malik here. In this video, I am going to show you how you can clear your cache memory on your mobile phone. Its method is very easy and simple. First of all, go to your mobile phone file manager or files. Then click on phone storage option. Now go to all files option. Here you can see there are many folders which are created by themselves or by its own or by system default. You have to simply select all those folders which are empty or which may have some viruses. I have selected all those folder and then you have to click on delete option in bottom. Here you can see there is option of delete 9 folders. All the folders are deleted. Now go back in your Google Chrome browser and long press on it. When I long press on my Google browser, there is option of app info. Click on this app info option. Now go to storage usage. Click here. Now here you can see there is option of clear cache or clear data. You have to clear your cache memory, not clear your data. Now go to Google browser. Long press on it, go to app info, then click on storage usage and delete its cache memory or cache data. You have to simply repeat this method on all your apps. You must go to those apps which you use the most of the apps on your daily routine. I am going to click on all the apps which I mostly used or may have most viruses or some types of bugs. Clear cache memory of all your apps. Now you have an option of settings. Go to your mobile phone main setting and search there phone manager. You can directly go through phone manager application or you have to simply search in your mobile phone setting. I am going through my mobile application of phone manager. Click here. Here you can see if it's older version you have to simply update it. Now click on optimize option. Now click on this cleanup option. Here you can see there is option of storage cleanup. Click on this go option. Now here you can see this is your cache memory. Click on this clean option. Now go to WhatsApp cleaner. Click here. Here you can see there is option of cache junk files. Click on this clean option. It will clear your cache of your WhatsApp. My cache memory on WhatsApp has been deleted. With this method you can easily clear your cache on your mobile. Like, comment and subscribe.